They got some. You got this 6-foot chicken right here. I like all the skeletons they have here. You got a rabbit, a donkey. Spiders are known for their skeletons, obviously.
Yeah, they are. That's a cool one.
I think there's like even bigger ones. I remember like years ago, Home Depot had like black skeleton. Kind of gnarly looking thing. They have a smaller chicken.
Yeah, they have.
You got a vampire bat.
They have a rooster and
A skeleton.
I think I want to come down the ground.
Yeah, this is the one I was talking about. A lot of places have stuff like this, like these skeletons coming out of the ground.
That's the horse.
Donkey, I think.
Donkey.
Do. I kind of like this. Oh, as I fall. Ghosts and goblins. Ghouls. Candles. Kind of like that. Okay. Oh, neat little selection here.